Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming that your phone or tablet supports OTG. This is why some devices will not act as hosts. Once done, inspect the USB-C port for lint and use a certified OTG cable so data lines are present. You should enable relevant permissions when prompted, because Android asks to grant access to attached storage. Make sure battery level is sufficient. Low power can prevent device detection and corrupt transfers. You now connect the OTG cable to the device and attach the accessory, taking care to push connectors fully so pins mate correctly. Once attached, unlock the screen and open the Files app or Settings storage to verify the accessory registers. This confirms power and protocol negotiations succeeded. If using input devices, test typing or navigation immediately. If using external storage, copy a small file first to verify read/write without risking larger data. You finish by using the accessory normally, but when done always unmount or eject external storage to avoid corruption. Android notifications or the Files app provide that option. Once unmounted, remove the accessory gently and power down powered peripherals first if necessary, since some draw current after disconnect. If things go wrong, try swapping the OTG cable or adapter, toggle OTG settings if present, and restart the device. This sequence resolves most detection or power negotiation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.